Hello dear listeners and viewers. Suppose it is the database whose name is student information. There the student information has been restored and it is the student data table which contains 1, 2, 3, 4 column. I wanna make the another column which name will be current date. After that we wanna subtract the previous value from the current date. So let's see the instruction. At first we have to make the another column named current date. You know we have to use there an SQL function which name is date. It is a function, so I have to get there a bracket. Now we have to type the now and another bracket. It is the function of getting the correct date of current day. Now we want to execute the value and dear viewers, you can see there is a new column which name is date and now, and it is the current function, but we wanna give this column another name, current date. So we have to try again. Star date function now function as current date. It is the SQL command syntax. Now we have to copy this and we want to execute this. Here you can see current date is a column which contained the current date of this time. Now we wanna subtract this value from this value. How can we do? Now we have to go the SQL again. Here I'm pasting the this is the previous SQL syntax. Now we have to use there another function which name is time stamp difference. It is the function, so I have to give the bracket. Now I have to give there the parameter of subtracted value, that is year, and you have to use there a comma and you have to type the first or previous column of date type which name is admit date. And the current date. Now you know it is the current date, so I am copying this by clicking Ctrl C, and I have to paste there. and this value will be stored in a new column which name is year gap. We have to select and copy this syntax again. Now I am executing this command again. Here you can see year gap is 0. You can see the previous year also. Previous year is 2021 and the current year is also 2021. So the subtracted result will be 0. Now we want to make another subtraction and the result will be displayed here in month. So I have to go the SQL again. There I am pasting the previous copied value, and here I have to select this item again by clicking Ctrl C. Ctrl C and the pasting by clicking Ctrl V. Now we have to give there the month. And here month gap. Now I am executing this again. Here you can see the month gap is 5. You can see there the admit date in February and the current date is July. So the difference between 2 months is 5. In this way, we can subtract the day, hour, minute, second also. Just changing the parameter of our time. Now here I am pasting again it, and here I have to write their hour, and here also hour. Now I am pasting it again. Here I wanna type the day. Here also day. I have to use the comma, and now I have to paste there again. The minute. Here also minute. I have to use the comma, and I am pasting it again. Here's the second. And there second. I am executing this SQL command syntax here. Here you can see the result has been displayed in the different and various column with their own value. I hope you have enjoyed this rule very much and pretty well, and you will be able to subtract the previous date type column from the current date type column. Thanks for watching this video.